Good morning, everybody. Dear Abbott students, how are you? I think you are all well by the grace of God. I am so not fine because the world is affected by coronavirus. For this reason, the world is very unstable. So I feel very uneasy. However, I teach you something. You know, English is an international language. So it is very necessary to learn the students. If you want to learn English well, you have to know at first all kinds of sentence, all kinds of parts of speech, and all kinds of tense. I will describe about all kinds of sentence. Sentence, that means but what is sentence? Sentence key. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called sentence. Or a word or a group of words that has a complete meaning is called sentence. অর্থাৎ যে সুবিন্যস্ত পদ সমষ্টি দ্বারা কোনো বিষয়ে বক্তার মনোভাব সম্পূর্ণরূপে প্রকাশ করা হয় তাকে বলা হয় সেন্টেন্স। সেন্টেন্স ইজ অফ 5 kinds অ্যাকর্ডিং টু ইটস মিনিং। সেন্টেন্স অর্থভেদে 5 প্রকার, such as assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. At first, I will describe about assertive sentence. It expresses a simple statement which may be affirmative or negative. অর্থাৎ এই অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্স কোনো বিবৃতি প্রকাশ করে যা হতে পারে হ্যাঁ-বোধক বা না-বোধক। এক্সাম্পল, হি ইজ অ্যান অনেস্ট ম্যান, হি ইজ নট অ্যান অনেস্ট ম্যান। Now, interrogative sentence, it denotes, या निर्देश करे a question that may be affirmative or negative. Is he an honest man? Is he not an honest man? Now, imperative sentence, it expresses order, command, request, advice, etc., which may be affirmative or negative. Read your lessons. Never tell a lie. Do not run in the sun. Imperative sentence also may begin with let. ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স আবার লেট দিয়েও শুরু হয়। লেট আস গো আউট ফর এ পিকনিক, এটাও গো আউট, লেট আস গো আউট ফর এ ওয়াক, লেট মি ডু দ্য ওয়ার্ক, লেট হিম সে হোয়াট এভার হি লাইকস। অপারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স ইট expresses wish, desire or blessing, ইহা ইচ্ছা বা প্রার্থনাকে ইচ্ছা বা প্রার্থনা বোঝায়। মে ইউ লিভ লং লিভ আওয়ার কান্ট্রি, মে আল্লাহ ব্লেস ইউ, এক্সক্লামেটরি সেন্টেন্স। ইট ইন্ডিকেটস sudden expression of emotion and strong feeling, এ দ্বারা হর্ষ, বিষাদ, আনন্দ, ঘৃণা প্রভৃতি মনের ভাব প্রকাশ করে। এক্সাম্পল, হোয়াট এ বিউটিফুল ফ্লাওয়ার ইট ইজ, alas the boy is dead, hurrah we have won the game. Now assertive sentence is of three types according to its form and structure. এই অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্স আবার গঠন ভেদে তিন প্রকার। They are simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. Simple sentence means সরল বাক্য, সরল বাক্য। কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স জটিল বাক্য। compound sentence যৌগিক বাক্য। At first I will discuss about simple sentence. A sentence which has a subject and a finite verb is called simple sentence. If you want to know the simple sentence, you have to learn about finite verb. What is finite verb? The verb finite verb. The verb which expresses the action of the speaker in a sentence exclusively is called finite verb. Example, he reads a novel. I read a book. Complex sentence. A sentence which has a principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses is called complex sentence. Example, though he is poor, he is honest. I could not go to school because I was ill. He is so weak that he cannot walk. When to know the complex sentence, though, although, because, so not that, so that, if, till, until, unless, who, what, where, whether, এইগুলো দ্বারা আমরা কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সকে সহজে চিনতে পারি। কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্স যৌগিক বাক্য। The sentence which has more than one principal clauses is called compound sentence. He is poor, but he is honest. He closed the door and began to cry, began to write. What is compound sentence? A sentence which has one or more than principal clauses connected with coordinating conjunction is called compound sentence. Now we have to know about coordinating conjunction. The conjunction which joins two or more than clauses of equal ranks is called coordinating conjunction. Now, if you want to write a complete sentence, we have to need a verb. So we have to teach about parts of this. Words used in a sentence are divided according to their functions in a sentence is called parts of speech. Now I will describe about all kinds of verbs. Verb. A verb is a word which tells or asserts to do something about a person or thing. Verbs are classified into two classes. Verbs are mainly classified into two classes. Finite verb, non-finite verb. समापिका क्रिया, असमापिका क्रिया, What is I have described about finite verb before. So I have to know non-finite verb. The verb which does not express the action of the sentence meaningfully and has to depend on other verb is called to finish the sentence is called non-finite verb. He likes to sing a song. I agreed to help him. Finite verb, two kinds of finite verb. Principal verb, auxiliary verb. मूल क्रिया और साहाय्यकारी क्रिया. Principal verb, the verb which can express the complete meaning independently itself without the help of other verb is called principal verb. Now, such as I read a book, he plays football. Auxiliary verb. The verb which does not have its own meaning and help the principal verb in forming or making tense, voice and mood is called auxiliary verb. Such as I am eating rice, they are playing football. Principal verb, two kinds of principal verb. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb, intransitive verb, intransitive verb অর্থাৎ সকর্মক্রিয়া আর অকর্মক্রিয়া। Intransitive verb, the verb which has an object in a sentence is called transitive verb. He writes a letter. I read a book. Intransitive verb, the verb which express the complete meaning without the other words in a sentence is called intransitive verb. যেমন he plays, they write, etc. Auxiliary verb, two kinds of auxiliary verb. Primary and modal. Primary auxiliary, to be verb am, is, are, was, were. To do verb do, does, did. To have verb have, has, had. Modal auxiliary, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, used to, ought to, need, must, dare, etc. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.